Hi, my name is Amrita Lal and I am the Regional Coordinator for the South Pacific Flying Labs, which is located. South Pacific Flying Labs is one of the nodes of a growing network of flying labs all over the globe. It's an initiative and a partnership between We Robotics, which started all this, and the University of the South Pacific. Yeah, it's a hub where we have softwares and hardwares and all the technology necessary for conducting and carrying out missions and projects which are mostly focused on either humanitarian efforts or educational ideas. Yeah. When I was given a drone in my hand, the first thing I did was crash it twice. Thank God it was not the university's drone, it was under insurance or anything other. Sorry, it belonged to my current supervisor, and thank God he had a good sense of humor. I've taken part in one specific mission which really opened my eyes. So this was a post-disaster relief mission with the Red Cross in Fiji. So what we did was we basically took one of our drones at the back in the days. Our fleet was really small. We were limited to one P4, a couple of Mavics, and we basically took that out and we flew over one of the most devastated islands, Kandavu. And we flew the area, we reported back to the community back on mainland, which was not actually affected at all. So it's more of like a reporting situation and trying to map out the area to see where damage has been more. It's where most of the cyclones actually happen. It's becoming an annual event. We had a Category 5 in 2016. It was Cyclone Winston, and it was pretty bad. So what I see as using drones in the humanitarian sector is using it for post and why not even pre-disaster assessments. Like, you don't want to be unprepared when stuff like this happen. You want to know where the people are, where the people who might be in need are, and which resources are more vulnerable in the next 5 to 10 years. So those are the type of projects which I'm more involved in. Flying drones, like I said, it's a very small part of it, and then comes the data processing, the data analysis. That's where my cartography and remote sensing and geospatial science background actually really comes in handy, because if anyone can fly a drone, but if you do not know what to do with the data, then you're basically sitting ducks. We need more of that initiative of putting female role models out there. And I think what I can do in this is actually push my colleagues to actually come into the limelight, something which I have been really shy about. But yeah, back at home, women are great. They're actually doing the work. It's just that the recognition is not there. So you can play a little part in doing that.